Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your Wi-Fi doesn't work on this phone. So first thing I want you to do is toggle Wi-Fi on and off. To do that, open the quick settings menu by sliding it from the top of your screen, then tap on the Wi-Fi icon right here to make it turn gray, and then turn it on again and check if this helps. Sometimes it helps, in most cases actually. Now if this didn't help, go to the Wi-Fi connections, go to more settings, tap on the information icon next to your current connection, click forget, click remove, then try to reconnect to it after that. And if this didn't help, what you can do is restart the router if you own it, and also restart the phone. To restart your phone, simply press the power button and the volume up key at the same time and select restart right here, and then wait until your phone reboots. And once your phone is restarted, give it a moment to reconnect to all the networks, and if it didn't help you solve your problem, then you can check whether your device is up to date. So go to settings, select system and update, settings, at the very top select software update and check if you have any updates to install, and if you do, take your time and install them, then restart your phone and see if this fixes the problem. But if it doesn't, in the same menu, so system and update, go to backup and reset, then go to reset phone, then reset network and Bluetooth settings, select reset, and this will surely help, although you'll have to reconnect to all the devices that you've been connected to. So let's go back to the Wi-Fi. Let's find the networks. Let's try to connect to a network. Give me a moment. And as you can see, everything works properly. And I hope that it does for you too. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.